Welcome everybody back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. My name is Moonlight. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a like rating on the video if you guys do enjoy, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on the whole crypto market. Just in general, like the crypto market's been doing really good lately. We've even seen gold rise. Surprisingly, I haven't seen gold, take a rise in like a long time. And it's probably due to like a lot of the things going on in the US with Trump, the Venezuela. The markets have been actually pushing up really good. And today I'm going to be showing you guys BingX's TradFi page. Basically, they're crypto trading. They have futures, they have spot trading. You could literally hold different cryptos if you are somebody that's, into the long-term kind of hodl strategy like I am. BingX, I've made a video on before in the past. I think I've actually done a couple videos on BingX. So I'm going to make sure to leave all links down below in the description if you guys want to take a look at them, use them, try them out for yourself. I do have $1,000 loaded up in my account as well. And I'm going to do a couple different trades on it, but keep this in mind, you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert of any sorts. Take this as entertainment and educational purposes, as the crypto market is very volatile, it's very dangerous. You can lose a lot of money, but crypto is one of the only industries where you can make a lot of money as well. But again, not financial advice. Enjoy the rest of the video, you guys, and stay tuned for more crypto and gambling videos to come. I've been posting a lot as well. And if you guys are interested to see where I live stream daily, go to kick.com/moonlight2019. I do live stream every single day. So if you guys want to stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the crypto market in the comments, and let's take a look at BingX. So showing you guys on screen now, you could see a bunch of the different cryptos that are currently up on the day. One thing I really like about crypto is that the swings in crypto are a lot greater than in, I would say, any other industry like stocks, Forex. Now, I guess it depends on what you're doing, if you are kind of leverage trading, or even if you're using futures, which is, again, very risky as well. But if you are somebody that hodls long term, like myself, crypto is probably going to be the easiest way to kind of get into trading, if that makes sense. So I wanted to show you guys BingX crypto markets. They have a bunch of the listed pairs. Kind of what I mentioned. I mean, S&P 500 is even on here. You have the NASDAQ 100, silver, gold, and not to mention you have the Dow Jones. You can even get into the Euro USD pair as well if you are interested. You have Tesla. Again, they have literally everything that you could choose from. They have been in the market, I would say, since like 2018. I guess they were kind of founded in 2018. They are one of the biggest leading crypto exchanges in the world today, not to mention with Web3 technology and with AI as well, getting integrated with them as well. There is like 40 million plus users. So if you don't want to take my word for it, do a quick Google search on them. Even ask ChatGPT, right? What is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world? It actually labels BingX as one of them. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that they offer. Obviously, you have spot trading. You have futures, again, which is pretty risky. I will not lie to you guys out there. But you can make money if you know what you're doing. But if you are a beginner, don't really focus on futures too much unless you are like, a risk taker, I would say. You have copy trading, so you can copy other people's trades as well. As you can see, elite traders recruitment. If you are somebody that wants to copy what others are doing instead, maybe it's a better way to kind of help and learn and get into crypto a little bit and understand why other people are taking those trades. Copy trading is very useful that way. And I do want to mention they have bots as well. So like I would say programmed scripts, if you want to call it like that, where you can use it to kind of help you in certain market conditions. Obviously, bull markets, bear markets, you have martingale, buy low and sell high for profits and reduce position costs, spot gridding, spot infinity grid, and then, of course, signal strategies as well. If you are somebody that wants to learn from signals, I think a lot of you guys out there have probably heard that before. It's been around for years and years, obviously, signals, where you have these YouTubers that are selling signals, this and that. I'm kind of against the whole YouTube selling of signals. I think you're more better off going with an exchange like BingX. That's just my personal opinion. But I wanted to show you guys gold as well. So if you guys can see here, you have the gold profit Federal Reserve decision moment, where you can win a share of 100,000 USDT. That's a prize pool. It is ending in 8 days' time. Again, I'm going to make sure to leave links down below if you guys are interested to take part in this. You guys can register and get on board. Essentially, gold, very volatile. I've lost a lot of money in gold, but I've also made a lot of money in gold in the past. You can predict whether it's going to rise or fall. And again, the price right now is 4,845 of 4,844 as we speak. It's up 2.11%. So you can predict what you think it's going to do long term. And again, the higher your trading volume, the greater your prize share is. So participants with correct predictions get a split of $100,000. Okay, 100,000 USDT trial fund voucher. Now, all you have to do is trade gold essentially. Okay, and this is how it kind of allocates it. 67,000 current participants, 100,000 gets split, right? And if you are correct, you will get a prize pool. Here are the rules. Not going to discuss that. You guys can read it for yourself on their page. Again, all links are going to be down below in the description. I do want to sign into my account here and show you guys real quick as well. All you have to do is sign up. Links are going to be down below in the description. You will have to complete a KYC process. Not very hard, you guys. Like, KYC is pretty easy. I'm Canadian. I think they're available anywhere, like everywhere, I should say. They're supported in 18 different languages as well. So if you guys are interested, again, all links are going to be down below in the description. Just sign up, complete a KYC. I'm going to make sure I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to help me out as well. But here we go. So as you guys can see, I'm currently logged into my account. I'm going to show you guys how it kind of all works. I'm going to show you guys my assets. I do have 1,000 USDT, and I just wanted to show you guys I am using a NordVPN. So I am in Norway right now, and I am able to access BingX. Okay, I just wanted to point that out in case you are somewhere where you might need to use a VPN. I'm currently in Norway, but I am a Canadian citizen, and I live in Canada. So just to show you, you can literally use BingX almost anywhere. Now, the three advantages I wanted to say about BingX, I would say, and their accounts. It's kind of like a one-stop account, right? You have everything. Obviously, you have all the different markets, different stocks, commodities, currencies. You have futures trading if you want to. Spot trading, you can buy and hold a crypto if you want to. So again, I have USDT in here. That's my assets. But if I wanted to switch it out, swap it over to Bitcoin and hold that, I can do that as well. They have copy trading bots, not to mention USDT marginalized, unified profit and loss, and kind of like a risk management assessment, if that makes sense. You do have complete kind of risk controls, and you can kind of do it as your own, if that makes sense. So you can kind of decide what you kind of want to risk. It goes and helps you. Okay, it does it all kind of for you, essentially. I'm going to show you guys in just a second. But as you guys can see here, again, 8 days remaining to get on into this gold $100,000 USDT prize pool. Predict it. Get yourself on board. Why not? Why not? So if you guys want to, again, this is going to be down below in the description. So I am going to show you guys their futures because I do have the money in my futures account. Again, this is pretty risky if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, futures, you can make a lot, but it is very potentially rewarding long term, right? That's why I do like it, especially if you do know what you're doing. But this is where you can open a long position or a short position if you are interested. Now I'm going to do gold because I really, really like gold. And usually my strategy in the past, but it was very risk based. If you have the RSI, right? So if you don't know what that is, a relative strength index, I would usually have that up. I'm not going to use it because it is, again, very risky, and I would rather not. I was going to buy regardless. But anyways, or I was going to long it regardless. The RSI, if it was going down below the RSI, I believe like the 30, that was like in an oversold market, right? So you knew that eventually price would have to swing back to the upside eventually. And what I would do is I would just DCA it, so I would dollar cost average and just keep buying as price, went against me under the RSI, because again, it showed a very oversold market and potentially the upside, it would have to reverse, right? That was very risky. I did make quite a bit, but I did also lose quite a bit. So it's, not the greatest. As you can see, you could do and set a long take profit stop loss as well. So I'm just going to, okay. So I'm going to enter the take profit of, so it's 48.38. I'm going to do, I would rather get it up to the previous high. So what was that? 48.80. Yeah, I would do 48.80. So 48.80. That would be my take profits was like 17.70%. Stop loss, I'd probably put it below right here, 48. We'll do 48.26. 48.26. So I'm going to buy it right now, you guys, or I'm going to long it, sorry, as you can see here. So I'm just going to open a long position. Boom. We're just going to max. There we go. Market order filled. So I just maxed it. That way it's just kind of easy. You can track it down here as well. So I did long it. And you could kind of track it down here. So that way you guys can kind of see everything, as you can see to the bottom right here, as you guys are seeing. But anyways, you can look at the risk. You can kind of keep track of it. and my take profit and stop loss are obviously in. You can see it on the chart as well. And you kind of just have to wait. Like, this is it. It's just kind of a waiting game from here on after. I'm hoping price does swing to the upside. I do like to long gold specifically a lot more because, again, I do love the risk. But it is suitable for somebody more experienced with this. If you are a beginner, I would recommend staying away from futures trading as it is very risky. But again, they have spot trading as well. If you guys want to just get different cryptos, you want to hodl, get into certain cryptos or even stocks or different commodities, again, currencies. It really depends what you're kind of into and what your trading goals are overall. But as you can see, I'm literally just going to kind of wait for this. Hopefully it doesn't go and just wreck me real quick. But again, they have like the kind of risk management in place where, you know, even if it does hit my stop loss, I'm not going to blow my account. So just keep that in mind. But again, this is kind of more so for educational purposes. As you can see, the market can go against you very, very quickly. And it's a good thing I did this to show you guys. A lot of what you see on YouTube, it's not, they show all the wins, right? They don't show the losses. So this is actually good if it actually hits my stop loss because it can show you the market can go against you. Okay, but they do have a lot of different pairs. I do like BingX for that. And again, it's used by millions of people. So just keep that in mind. But contract trading as well just involves extremely high risk, right? And may result, I would say, in partial or total loss of funds. Like I could blow my account. Just keep that in mind. Assess your risks, you guys. Assess it and make sure you're not doing anything stupid like I have done in the past. Okay? I just wanted to make that very, very clear. But anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think of the crypto market as a whole. What do you think of BingX? Have you used BingX before? Are you going to be using it? And as you can see, it's starting to go a little bit up. So I'll let you guys know what happens in a future video, potentially, of if I actually profit on this, because it could take a while. This is on the 15-minute time frame. So each tick right here, each candlestick, I should say, is 15 minutes. So it can take a while before, oh, there we go, we're starting to go up. It can take a while, and we're back down. So it can take a while before it actually hits a take profit or stop loss. But as you can see here, if it does hit my take profit, let me just exit out of that. I will make roughly $200. And if I lose, my stop loss is roughly $37. So just keep that in mind. It's a really cool thing that they have the kind of risk assessment, and you can kind of track all of this, your stop loss, your take profit, seeing what you'll make compared to what you'll lose. And this is a very good ratio as well for take profit to stop loss, right? It shouldn't be 1-to-1. Like, you should bare minimum do 2-to-1 risk, right? You're going to make double. Whereas if you lose, say $30, or if you win at least 60, right? That way it's kind of worth it, not 1-to-1. But anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. What do you guys think of BingX? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to take a look at all links down below in the description. I'm going to make sure I have everything laid out for you guys. Remember to stay safe in crypto. Have a wonderful, safe trading, investing, gambling, whatever you're doing week. And I will see you guys all in my next cryptocurrency video.